Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, pattern or password and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then confirm it by selecting Factory Data Reset. After you see the message Data Wipe complete, you can select the first option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.